Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Hootsuite for LinkedIn Analytics reporting detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Hootsuite for LinkedIn Analytics reporting, start by logging into your Hootsuite account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the My Profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Click on the icon and select Manage Social Networks from the drop-down menu. In the Social Networks page, click on the Add a Social Network button. From the list of available networks, choose LinkedIn. You will be prompted to sign in to your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and authorize Hootsuite to access your account. Once authorized, you will be directed back to the Hootsuite dashboard. Now, select the LinkedIn company page you wish to connect. Confirm that the correct page is selected. Click the Continue button to finish adding your LinkedIn account. Next, navigate back to the Hootsuite dashboard. From the main menu, click on the Analytics tab. Select Reports from the drop-down options. In the Reports section, find the LinkedIn Analytics report. Click on it to open the report setup. You can customize the parameters to suit your reporting needs. After setting your preferences, save the report configuration. You can now schedule the report for regular delivery. Review your settings and ensure all information is correct. Finally, your Hootsuite account is now activated for LinkedIn Analytics reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.